Okay, welcome back. Gerald Stidham here, Team Honest founder. On this next video, we're going to discuss how to build your. There's a lead-in page and a confirmation page, and I'm probably gonna break this up into two videos. One, I'll talk about the lead-in page, and then one, I'll talk about the confirmation page. If they're just too long, they're just really hard to get them uploaded onto YouTube. So the first one we'll probably go ahead and just do the confirmation page. And what that really all it is it's just a page um, that tells people to go back to their email address and check the confirmation link. Because all systems pretty much now are a double opt in. So if somebody opts into the capture page but then fails to confirm it from the confirmation email, they'll never start to receive your follow up emails. Remember, the capture page is just the start of the sales funnel. So you're just all you're really trying to do with a capture page is get them on your list, opt them in, get them exposed to the system, get them exposed to your opportunity. You're not trying to sell a bunch of stuff with a capture page. It's just you want to get an opt in. Once they opt in, then you can start the process. But if they fail to confirm the link, then they'll never get any of the follow up emails and they won't even be on your list. So it's very important. I found that a lot of folks would opt in, but then would never confirm, and then you just have to kind of direct them in that direction. And basically, I'll show you what one looks like here. Let's see, this is it right here. This will be the one that you'll create. We'll get that to load here real fast. And that's the confirmation page. It basically just says, thanks for your interest in our team. Important, check your inbox. Look for an email titled confirm your email address. And then, you probably would want to put a little picture of yourself. You wouldn't want really me on there. So what you do is just go back to something I should mention too. When you start your own team collective marketing system yourself, you're going to get all the leads. As the leads come in, they're going to go to your list. Until somebody starts their own, there's no way for you to share that list. When somebody comes into the system with the collective team, you're basically just trying to help them get their 4 signups. Once they've got those 4, they're comfortable with yourself, they're comfortable with the team, they're comfortable with the system, and then you can expose them to this. But there's so many benefits to doing things like this, building your own personal sales funnel, building your own team collective. That's where the real growth and the real opportunity happens. And I try to stress this so much. To come into our team and just use the rotators is fine, but it's never going to get you to a level where you could say, hey, I can quit my job, or I can buy a new car, or I can supplement my income by a couple of grand a month. People join people, and I just can't stress that enough. They really don't join the opportunities. So you have to be willing to sort of put yourself out there, brand yourself, and you'll start to see some incredible success. But until you do that, you're not going to have incredible success. I mean, I have 2 websites, I have 160 YouTube videos, I've got a YouTube channel, I've got a Facebook page. Those are just things that you have to be willing to do to have true success in this business. So I'll quit babbling here and we'll go ahead and get started. So go on to um, on the team page, the teamhonest.geraldsbiz.com, and you're going to load the building a team collective page like you did before. Now there's going to be right here where it says Your next step is to build your lead in and confirmation pages. There's going to be a couple videos here, but I'm just shooting them right now. So the first thing you want to do is just grab this code, the team lead confirmation code. Just grab that code. And it's all here. It's all done up for you. And all you got to do is just copy it. Just copy that code. And then you can go ahead and close that out. And then if you want to, let's see, we'll close that out. And then come back over to your easy hits for you. And you want to come down to this is why you have to have one of these accounts because you're going to build a couple of free pages here. Easy hits for you allows you to build 3 pages. They call them a splash, but you can do whatever you want with them. They'll host them. They won't charge you for them. The only thing is they have a little bar as a free member, a little bar that shows up at the top. I've gone back and forth with being a free and a paid member. At first you really just don't need to be a paid member. It's about $8 a month, and it allows you to build 100 of these pages. I would say if you get really rocking and rolling, you may consider it. But for now, a free is perfectly fine. I've got a couple of already built. You'll probably have none. Just go ahead and do add a new splash page, and come over to settings, and just unclick as many as you can. That's whoops. There we go. And just put a little title. I'm just going to put training. But you don't want to do like confirmation link, AIOP confirmation page, something of that nature. Come back over to splash page. This is the actual editor right here. And then you're just going to come up here to tools, go to source code. This is the HTML editor that's built into this little system. And just go ahead and just paste that code right in there. And just hit OK. And there you have it. It's all built for you. Now, again, to change this picture, you've got to have a picture somewhere. I don't know why it keeps coming up here. I mean, nuts. So the way you get around that is you just this little button here says Image Gallery. Just click that. And what you want to do is you want to upload a file. And go ahead and just pick your file. You've got to have a little picture of yourself if you want to put a picture on there. And you upload that picture. Once you do, then when you go to your images, these are all my images. And so wherever you want it, like for instance, you would just you'd highlight it, see where the little boxes show up. Come up to Image Gallery. This is after you've uploaded your picture. Go to your images. And then your picture, just double click that picture. And what that'll do is that'll replace my picture with yours. This is just a little signature. You can actually go online, and there's companies that you can make up your own little signature if you want. And that's what I did there. And then this, all you have to do is just change it to your name. Just put your name. And then, Team Honest, Leader, whatever you want to put on there. It's your system. And then just go ahead and put add. And that has now added, see where it is right there? So from here I can look at my stats, I can edit it if I want, and I can promote it. So again, the confirmation page is simply the page for confirmation. We're not redirecting them anywhere. We're not doing any of that type of stuff. So you do have to, well, actually, this won't factor in until we build our capture page. So that's it for building your confirmation page. So the next video, at this point, you're finished with doing the confirmation page at this point. The next video, I'll talk about how to build your lead-in page, and then we've got to go to our all-in-one profits autoresponder and add a couple of links in there, but it's really easy to do. So I'll see you at the next video. Bye.